In this video, let's take a look at the third tool, MobSF. Mobile Security Framework is an open source mobile application pen testing, malware analysis and security assessment framework used for both Android and iOS. It is an automated pen testing framework which is capable of performing end-to-end security testing of mobile apps. It is a convenient tool as it can perform different types of analysis such as dynamic, static, binary and third-party library scanning. MobSF Practical. To install MobSF on a Windows machine, follow these steps. First, open your browser and type MobSF into the search bar and then hit enter. Navigate to the official GitHub page and download the MobSF zip file for Windows. Go to the downloads folder, unzip the downloaded file. Open the unzipped MobSF folder and launch a command prompt terminal by typing cmd in the search bar and hitting enter to launch the terminal. In the terminal, type setup.bat and hit enter. After successfully installing, type the command run.bat into the terminal. Open your browser, navigate to http://127.0.1:8080. The MobSF is finally ready to use.